Ilustrísimo, huh? The first one. Right foot forward. We just move back like this, okay? Back and forth. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, left foot. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. That's the first preparation of our retirada ilustrísimo. We call this retirada ilustrísimo because this is the footwork of Grandmaster Ilustrísimo. So he has this one, and the second we call this the lutang, or the floating. So instead of stepping like this, he just float like this. This one is being used especially for a knee strike, number 3 and number 2 strike. Okay? So what we'll do is instead of stepping like this, we'll just do the lutang. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, up. This footwork will be using this as we go on for a different preparation. So the number 2 footwork, we call this retirada caballero. We call it shuffle, okay? Forward, backward. Okay, ready? Forward, backward, 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 forward, backward. Okay, up, left foot. Ready? Forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. Okay, up. We'll go to the hakbang paiwas. I will just put an illustration here so that it will be clear. I've done this last seminar here. So this one, the arrow represents the attack of your opponent. The attack is being delivered straight towards you. So if you only know this kind of footwork, okay, and this kind of footwork, we are still in the center. So in order to get out from being attacked or being tackled down, you have to get out from the center. So the next footwork that we'll do is we call this hakbang paiwas, or step to the side. Start with the right foot, then you go like this, back to the center, left, back to the center, right. Okay? So this is the first preparation of hakbang paiwas. Ready? Going to the right first. Ready? 1, center, 2, back to the center, 3, back to the center, 4, back to the center, 5, back to the center, 6, back to the center, 7, back to the center, 8, center, 9, center, 10, center, 11, center, 12, center, 13, center, 14, center, 15, center, 16, center, 17, center, 18, center, 19, center, 20. Okay, up. Okay, next preparation, this one, we just go side to side instead of Okay, we just do like this, huh? We don't stop anymore at the center. We just start at the center, but what we do now, we go side to side. Right side, left side. Right side, left. Okay, ready? We just start here. Ready, go. Right side, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right side, left, right side, left, left side, right, left, right, left, right, left. Oh, yeah. So that's the number 2 progression of our hakbang paiwas. The number 3 progression, we will just master one side, huh? By doing like this. So if you want to master your dodging, going to the right side, then we just repeat it and repeat. Okay, we just do 10 times. Okay, ready? 1, back to the center. 2, back to the center. 3, back to the center. 4, back to the center. 5, back to the center. 6, back to the center. 7, back to the center. 8, back to the center. 9, back to the center. 10. Yeah. Now we will go left side. Okay, you step left foot, then you do like this. Okay, ready? 1, center. 2, center. 3, center. 4, center. 5, center. 6, center. 7, center. 8, center. 9, center. 10. Yep. Okay, Tony? So this is what we'll do, huh? The first preparation that we did is like this. This is retirada illustrissimo. We have 2. The apak sa likod, we step like this, and the second progression is the lutang. As what I have said, this is against a leg strike, okay? Like this. It can be with a stick or a sword, or it can be with a knife, or maybe do like this, okay? So that is how you get out from being cut or from being hit. So in Lamego, we don't block anymore the low line. I just illustrate to you this one. If you strike number 3, I don't, to the leg, we don't do this one anymore, okay? Because of that footwork. So if you strike with the leg, you just move and strike the head right away. Whether it is number 3 inside of the leg or outside of the leg. So if the strike is coming from a backhand, still the same. I can just do like this. If you strike, I can go to the hand or I can go to the head. So the footwork that we will be using is the same footwork that we use with the stick, sword, and knife. That's why we do that one. So the hakbang paiwas, or the full side step, like this, it is against the person who will cross to the center, then immediately you do like that. Okay? So whether it can be to the left side or going to the right side. And it is also against the person who will charge or rush in. He will do the, he wants to get in and he wants to tackle you down. So what you do, if you want to get in, then you can just move to the side. If I know only this kind of footwork, look, if you charge, I'm still there, right? So this kind of footwork is only good against number 3 and number 2. Okay? But it is not good for person who will charge in there. Okay? And also, this kind of footwork, the retirada caballero, this one, this is good in long range. This footwork, the retirada, the shuffle, forward and backward, that is very important, especially in long range. That's the quickest way how to avoid from being hit. Okay, so that's why we show this kind of footwork. So if you trust, you just do the hakbang paiwas. Okay, because if you can just also use this one, but you are still in the center. So if you charge and you are still there. But if you charge, if you go out, then you are out of the way. That's why, that's what I have illustrate. The attack represent the arrow, or the arrow represent the attack of your opponent. So you can move the retirada illustrissimo, you can move retirada caballero, or you can do the hakbang taiwas. But as what I have said, if you meet an opponent who is so aggressive, and you only know this kind of footwork and this one, then will be in trouble. So that's why we started this kind of footwork. We have three preparations to this one, right? That one, and we have the side to side, like this. And the number three, we do only one side, mastering one side, either to the right side or either to the left side. Okay? So, if your knife, we'll do the 12 strikes first. Our 12 strikes, the same with the stick or sword. So number one, to the ear. Two, knee, or it can be to the upper body. Okay? Three, it can be to the other leg or upper body. Four, right ear. Five, you thrust upward. Six, horizontal strike to the ribs. Seven, ribs. 8 and 9, solar plexus. Slash to the neck. 9, 10, thrust the heart. 11, slash the left neck. Then 12, forehead cross. Okay? Back left ear. 2, it can be to the leg or it can be to the right side of the body. 3, it can be to the leg or it can be to the left side of the body. Then 4, right ear. 5, you thrust the stomach going upward. 6, horizontal strike to the elbow or ribs. 7, horizontal strike to the elbow or ribs. 8, thrust the solar plexus. 9, slash the collarbone or it can be to the neck. 10, thrust the heart. 11, left collarbone or it can be to the left neck. Then 12 is the forehead. That is if we are using hammer grip. Okay. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 combine. 10 and 11, 12. Okay, go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10 and 11, 12. That is if we are using the forehand. Ice pick possession or no, I mean a hammer grip. So ice pick possession, we have only 5. So this is to the side of the neck. 1, 2, right side of the body. 3, left side of the body. 4, upper right side of the body. 5 to the center. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, again, proceed. Okay, ready? 1, thrust number 10, and slash. So in always remember the principle. In every thrust, there must be slash. Thrust and slash. So if you try to hold this one, if you do this one, the counter. So if you try to disarm, you do that one, that's already a counter. So we will begin with number 10 and 11 and 8 and 9 thrust, okay? So this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, you thrust number 10, 11, 8, and 9 thrust. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see.